So in the Connect section, normally you'll come straight into the new feedback section. We're going to talk about in-progress feedback right now. If we go to in-progress feedback, we can see responses that you've responded to. And that's our progress report, really. And if you want to check on one of those, you can. But typically, there's not much to do here. We're waiting for that person to get back to us. When they do respond, they'll respond to your email, your business email, as well as into the system. So you'll see it, and you can respond from your email and maintain the string, which is in the Affinity OS system. So it will record it automatically. So the system is very powerful. You can function from your own email system and it will update it in Affinity OS. But in progress, you can see here all the people that are in progress, and you see that they will go to the next state, which is archive. So if they haven't responded within the 10-day window, then they will be archived. Pretty simple.